Edison says that genius is 2 parts inspiration, 98 parts perspiration. So happiness is 2 parts circumstance, 98 parts mental attitude. Feelin' fine, he used to say, come a clear or cloudy day, wave his hand and shed a smile, keepin' sunny all the while. Never let no bugbears grim get a wrastle hold of him, kept a smilin' rain or shine, tell you he was feelin' fine. Feelin' fine, he used to say, wave his hand and go his way, never had no time to lose, so he said, fighting blues. Had a twinkle in his eye, always when a-goin' by, sort of smile up into mine, tell me he was feelin' fine. Feelin' fine, he'd always say, and the sunshine seemed to stay close by him, or else he shone with some sunshine of his own. Didn't seem no clouds could dim any happiness for him. Allus seemed to have a line out for gladness, feelin' fine. Feelin' fine, I've heard him say half a dozen times a day, and as many times I knowed he was bearin' up a load, but he never let no grim troubles get much hold on him. Kept his spirits just like wine, bubblin' up and feelin' fine. Feelin' fine, I hope he'll stay all this 60 that away, lettin' his demeanor be such as you could have or me, ef we tried, and went along, spillin' little drops o' song, lettin' rosebuds sort o' twine o'er the thorns, and feelin' fine.